Hey guys, it's Freckles, and today I'm going to be doing a slime shop review, so let's just get started. Okay, so this is what it came with. This is the note and the total and the, how much the stuff is. Sorry, I have to wash my hands. And so the first thing we have is Jumbo Clear Slime, $15. Fluffy 12-ounce slime, $10. Clear Red Fish Bowl Slime, $8. Clear 12-ounce Fish Bowl Slime, $8. Okay, so and then the total is $41. No, hope you like the slimes. No refunds. Okay, no refunds. And it's from Slime from Terex XOXO. So please order from her. I don't know if her slimes are good or not. That's why I'm doing this slime review. So yeah. The first time I'm going to be doing is Jumbo Clear Slime. This is the container it came in. Guys. Does this look clear to you? Does this look jumbo? Oh my gosh, guys. That's not even jumbo, guys. Gosh. Like, guys. It's not funny. Like, oh my gosh. It's not even clear. It's like a grayish red. Not jumbo. There's good poking noises, but it kind of sticks to me too. So, let's just go on to the next one. Okay, so the next slime I'm going to be doing. Sorry guys, my parents and my friend were talking. So, the next slime is... Okay, fluffy 12-ounce slime. This one sounds good. So let's see, where's it at? Please don't say this is it, guys. 12 ounces. Oh my gosh, guys. This is not 12 ounce. Oh my gosh. It's not even fluffy, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. It's not fluffy. Guys, it's supposed to be 12 ounce and not 12 ounce, not fluffy. Not fluffy. And it's kind of sticky. So, sorry guys. So, like, wait a second. Sorry guys, my parents are so loud. So, yeah, it is kind of sticky, but it's just everything else is terrible. Good poking, just totally not worth $10. So, like, what the heck, guys? Let's just get on to the next one. So, the next one is Red Clear Fish Bowl Slime. So, I really hope this one's good. So, this is how it looks. It looks pretty good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me wash my hands again. That blue one got all over my hands and it's getting in that slime. So, like... This one's okay. How much was this? $8. Okay. She didn't say how much she's going to give me, but this is okay, I guess. Except it doesn't do much good poking noises and it doesn't stretch that good. And it's kind of sticky, so yeah. So, okay, let's just get on to the next one. Okay, guys, so the last one, sadly, is Clear 12-ounce Fish Bowl Slime. Okay, this doesn't look like it's going so good. So, it's kind of clear, kind of looks like it's gray, but so whatever, it's good. So let's see. Not that stretchy. Yeah, this is not 12 ounces. Okay. So yeah, wait a second, guys. I'm gonna add some water to this. I'm gonna add some water, see if we can fix it, because I really like this one. It's just not that stretchy, and it's not 12 ounces. So I'm just gonna try and let's fix one thing, like the stretchiness. So yeah. So I added some water. So yeah. So I really hope that made it better. I have no idea. Maybe it just made it stickier, but who knows. So yeah. So it did make it kind of stretchier and kind of stickier, actually. So I don't know what's happening to it. It's just weird. I have to go talk to my mom real quick. Wait a second, guys. She said to like go DM her and tell her that the slimes are a total fit. I know she said no refunds. Maybe they got like messed up in a package. So yeah, and she didn't even give me any extras. So that was like so messed up, guys. Like, oh, so messed up, guys. Like not even one extra. Maybe I should go check the box or something again, because people usually give extras, but they didn't this time. That was like so messed up, guys. Like, let me go check. Guys, there was extras. So these are one of the extras. I don't even know what this is. Like, okay. This is another extra. Monkey from Dora Explorer. This is already used, like I'm gonna use that. And whatever this is. I don't know if it's used or not, so I don't know if I should use it, but I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a twister, yeah. So yeah, and then this is the last one. This is really cool, but I don't know, like, is it good or not? Like, what if she just gave me a broken one? Like the buttons still work. Maybe I can try and charge it, see if it works. So I'll get back on you with that on a part 2. So please subscribe, smash that like button if you liked anything about this video, and comment down below what you want me to do next besides a part 2 of this. So yeah, and guys, I forgot to say that this was a spoof.